What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my Sephora Play for December 2018. It is actually my last Sephora Play, at least temporarily. I made some decisions and decided to let go of some of my subscription boxes and just kind of forego these so that I could have that money open for other things, more important things, or to actually choose things that I want rather than allowing them to choose things for me that I may or may not like and usually ultimately ended up giving away. So this will be my last Sephora Play for a while, as I said, but let's get in this box and see what we've got. Hopefully they'll go out with a bang. That's usually what happens whenever I decide that I'm going to cancel a subscription. The month that I cancel, it's so good that I wish I hadn't. So let's see if I can continue on that same kind of streak. I hope not. I hope I'm like, wah. Okay, what we've got still, I guess they've decided they're going to stick with this thick plastic zippy. And this one just has little decorations all over it, nothing seasonal or anything like that. But inside there is a pamphlet, and while I'm getting this unfolded, I will say, if you are not familiar with Sephora Play, it's a $10 a month subscription service. They send you 4 or 5 sample sizes, and they also include ordinarily some kind of bonus, usually a fragrance. For this month, the theme is Playlist 2018. As usual, there is a play card here for 50 Beauty Insider points that you can use to redeem at Sephora. So I'm going to go get in this pamphlet here, and I'm just going to go down the row, pulling things out randomly, and we'll talk about what's in here, and hopefully there'll be some things that I'm excited to have. Alright, first we've got Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. And it says Calm Like a Balm by Fresh. And I'm actually curious about Fresh. I've heard a lot of good things about their stick balms, but I've never seen one in a pot, and I don't really know what this is, and I can't get it out. As usual, huh? Okay, it says Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It says a hydrating lip balm that locks in moisture and delivers a velvety shine. Why we're raising a toast to it. Resolve to keep your lips moisturized, this nurturing lip balm uses moisture-preserving sugar to protect against dry, chapped lips. Plus, it has a delicious caramel scent but no sticky residue. So, this is what it looks like. A little pot. Oh. It smells like a straight and I always joke because I say caramel because I think that's the way I'm supposed to say it for most people to understand. But when you're an Okie, you say caramel. It smells like a straight up caramel. Oh my gosh. It smells so delicious that I can't even explain. I'm going to dip my finger in here and feel the consistency. See if it has any color. Oh my gosh. I want to put it on right now. It doesn't have any color. It's very emollient. It doesn't feel super waxy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, so good. Like I want to go. Maybe I should taste it. Should I taste it? It tastes like caramel. So I don't know what could be bad about a lip balm that smells like this and tastes like this. I will be using this. In fact, this is a perfect size to throw in my purse, and I'm going to feel super happy every time I use it because it smells delicious like heaven. I used to say I think that the Boom Boom Cream is what heaven probably smells like, but it might smell like Boom Boom Cream and caramel. Alright, next is Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora Collection Beauty Uncomplicated. And I'll open it and swatch it for you here in a second. It says Ahead of the Curve. Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Nothing But Nude. Why we're raising a toast to it. Give your lips a little extra oomph. This creamy liner glides over curves with ease for a fuller look. Plus, it delivers smooth, rich color with its non-drying formula. So, I'm going to get in here and see what the color is. I could always use a nude. This looks like a super nude color, but sometimes it's actually kind of spicy. sometimes the packaging is deceiving. It's actually a really nice spice color. It reminds me of Sugar and Spice and Nude from Gerard Cosmetics, which you guys know are one of my favorite lip liners. But it's super smooth, super opaque. It's a roll up. So I'll stick it with my 874 other lip liners and give it a shot. Put it where it go, man. Put it where it go. Next is Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. I love texture spray. That's how my hair stays up without falling out when I wear it in a bun, which is almost always because I hate my hair, and you guys know I hate my hair. But whenever I do get my empties video refilmed, and just a quick update on why my footage kept getting corrupted. I didn't know that there were speeds on memory cards, and I didn't know that you needed a specific grade for DSLR cameras. So I learned that. I got one that is a class 10 that is made for DSLR cameras, and it's on its way. Got it for less than 20 bucks, and so I hope that that won't be an issue anymore. But all that to say, when I film my empties, I will talk to you about a new hairline that I am trying that I think I'm getting really good results from. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be coming soon as I can get it refilmed. I was super irritated and mad whenever my footage got corrupted, so I was just like, not doing it again. Not doing it again today. I have to like get over myself first. Alright, so next is Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Volume Texture Spray. It says a translucent texturizing spray that creates instant fullness and volume. Why we're raising a toast to it. The New Year's Eve ball can drop, but your hair definitely should not. This dry spray uses raw silk powders to make strands look airy, weightless, and full. Used to lift roots, add texture to ponytails, or boost to day to hair. Let me try that one more again. Use to lift roots, add texture to ponytails, or boost day to hair. So I'm going to spray it in the cap because I always want to know how it smells. Maybe. Okay. It's super nice. It reminds me of the Good Hair Day. Is it Good Hair Day? That's dry shampoo from, I can't remember right now. Oh, this smells so good. Anyways, I will use this. I love texturizing sprays. In fact, I'm so thankful that I finally learned about texturizing sprays. Let me put it where it go. Because when you have really fine hair, I'm going to wipe this swatch off too while I'm talking to you. If you have really fine hair, it is hard to get your hair to stay without falling out of ponytails and buns and things like that. Also, just to give it a little bit of grip to get some volume to even tease. Like if your hair is so soft and fine, you can tease it and it just lays there like, womp. Nope. Not going to do it. And so you spray some dry texture spray in it and it just gives it a little bit of grip where it's got something to hang on to. I keep going like this because like it makes my hair big. So I love it. I love the invention. I'm super glad. Like the two best hair inventions ever, dry shampoo and dry texture spray. Yes, ma'am. Alright, next is Save the Best for Lash. It is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. 4-in-1 mascara, a mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions lashes. Why we're raising a toast to it. Ready for lashes that will take center stage in every photo? This rich black mascara gives your eyes a makeover by delivering intensely pigmented color as well as striking length and distance. I was in my brain, when I said distance, in my brain I was saying, I haven't messed up very much today. By delivering intensely pigmented color as well as striking length and volume. This used to be my holy grail and I have not used it in a long time. And lately I've just really been wanting to return to things that I loved at the beginning to see if I still love them. I think I like that wand and I think I'm going to give this another try because I'm almost positive that I may even have some of these that I haven't used yet because I just kind of replaced them with something else because I'm never satisfied. I'm going to put it where it go. Alright, there's just one more thing in here. And they didn't, well, there's two things in here. They didn't give a fragrance this time. This is the first time in a really long time. Alright, this is not on the paper. Oh, they gave us a 6th mystery trial bonus size. Show off what you got. Okay, I got a Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm by IGK. And I don't know what it is, and I don't know what it's for. I'm assuming whenever I get glasses on, I'll be able to see this tiny print, and maybe I'll tell you. But you know I'm going to sniff it. That smells like coconuts. I love coconut scented things. Oh, it just, I don't know. I don't know if you put this in what hair. I don't know what you do with it. I'll find out. And if it's worth something, it'll be in one of my favorites or my empties videos, right? Right? So I'm going to put it where it goes. And now I am on to the last thing here. And that is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, Peaches and Cream Collection by Too Faced. If I didn't say that, I think maybe I did. Why we're raising a toast to it. Oh, first, let me tell you what it is. An effective primer that blurs imperfections and brightens the complexion. Why we're raising a toast to it. This is the perfect primer to help you ring in the new year. The lightweight formula lasts all night, delivers 12 hours of shine control, and smells like peaches and cream. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I have this somewhere, or I have a sample of this somewhere, and I think I like this, except I think it's too mattifying for me. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been kind of transitioning from oily skin to combo skin now. I feel like I'm, especially in the summer months here, I'm starting to kind of move more into the dry segment of life. Moving on to having drier skin, I think. I guess maybe that happens with age or whatever, but my skin has changed quite a bit in the last few years. And so anyways, also I think a major change in my diet probably has a lot to do with it as well. And I just think my skin is healthier overall, aside from Tyrell and Tamika kind of, you know, she went for a walk, but Tyrell's hanging around. And yes, I name them because they stay so long that they become family. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm probably going to put this in my drawer to give away because I know I have this somewhere. And even if I don't, I think I wasn't a big fan of this. So overall, I think this was a pretty cool bag. I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff I got. Most excited about this caramel scented flavored yumminess by Fresh. And so I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about trying the Lights Camera Lashes again. And the dry shampoo. I'm actually okay with everything except for the Peaches and Cream mattifying stuff. Mattifying primer, because I just don't think it's good for my skin, my type of skin. It's probably going to be real good for somebody else. So I'll ask my friends who wants it and I'll stick it in the drawer for them. Alright, that's it for me, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm on my Christmas break. I'm super happy about it. Can you tell how refreshed and happy and lovely I feel? I even have the crud back again, and I'm still this happy and refreshed and happy and happy. And did I say happy? So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, there's not a next time for Sephora, but until next time, take care and God bless. I made some decisions and decided to let go of some but first, let me get this hair off my lip. Did I get it? Did I get it? And as usual, they have the play card here with 50 beauty insider points that you can redeem. Booger and snot. I can't see it. Roar. Did I get ya? No, I did not. Grrr. Whatever, man. It's It's whatever. Alright, as usual, I got it! I got it! Yay! But overall, I think this was a pretty cool bag. Yeah, it's a bag. I think this was a pretty cool. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this thumbs up,